In this video, I will show you how you can download files on any iPad. Now you can download files from many places, like you can receive a file in the Messages app or from someone in WhatsApp, or you can download a file from the browser app. In this video, I will download a file from the Safari web browser. Now in Safari, I will download the music. Now for this video, I'm using this website, but you can download your file from any website. Now after you do that, you will find this notification pop up on the screen. Just select download. Now after you do that, you will download your preferred file. Now to find the file which you have downloaded, just go to your home screen and open the Files app on your iPad. And in this section, just select On My iPad. But if you cannot find this section over here, just tap on this icon and you will open this section. Now just scroll down and select On My iPad. And from here, just open the Downloads folder. If you cannot find your downloaded files in the download folder, just tap on iCloud Drive, and from here just open Downloads, because you might be downloading your files and they are saved to your iCloud. And as you can see, this is the file which we have downloaded. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.